Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to App6 online support program. This is the video lesson for class 3. Textbook Integrated Studies Computer Science page numbers 140 till 141. Chapter 13 Presenting Your Ideas. Task 2 Transitions and Animations. Resources required textbook, computer, laptop, PDF books. Introduction of the lesson is Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program. You will see how long the actual transitions takes to complete. Thought of the day. Do more of what makes you happy. Let's move forward for the task. This is our topic, task 2 transitions and animation. So let's move forward for the objectives of our lesson. Today we will learn a new concept regarding animations it can add to make their presentation more appealing. Success criteria: select the box or text before applying transitions or animation. Okay, in Microsoft PowerPoint we need to select the slide with the transition you want to modify. Before applying any kind of transitions or animations, you need to select the slide or you need to select that specific text box or text to apply animations on. Okay, so let's move forward for our lesson. Okay, I am opening Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, to open Microsoft PowerPoint, this is your screen, window screen. On the left corner, on this search bar, write Microsoft PowerPoint. Then here you can easily access your program. I'm opening it. Okay, there is no slides on my presentation right now. Okay, I am opening a presentation slide to show you how can we add transition and animation to our slide. Okay, I have one presentation saved on my desktop. I'm opening this one. Okay, so for instance, these are my slides. On the first slide, I have selected my first slide and I'm applying these transitions. This is here on the animation tab. You can apply this transition to the slide. There are different transitions you can see over here. One by one you can take your mouse cursor there, then you can see its transition. Okay, so I have selected first slide and applying my first transition. Now second slide I want this transition. On the third slide I need this. On this text box I want this transition. On the fourth, so this way you can add one by one these transitions to your slide. You can select any of them. I'm selecting them randomly. You can see one by one and then you can choose. Okay, so for instance I have added random transitions to my this slides. Now to play it we need to press F5. If you want to slideshow it, if you want to slideshow it from this tab, go on the slideshow tab and open your slide or start your slide from the beginning, or you can press F5. I am pressing F5 from my keyboard. Look, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, first slide, sixth slide. So this way you can add transitions to your animations. Okay, so for home practice activity you need to perform the hands-on activity which is given on your integrated computer science page 141. Now you need to change the transitions for each slide. Create a presentation, then change the transition for each slide. If you want to change the picture, right click on it and select format picture, fill with colors, picture or texture fill, and then insert from file. So this is your home practice activity. Do perform this at home. Okay, so in the end I want to say, do more of what makes you more happy. Things which makes you smile, which makes you feel good. Try to add on these kind of things on your life, so then you can smile more and more and more. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you.